How to remove connected apps and sites from Google account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to remove connected apps and sites from Google account. In order to do this procedure, first thing, you have to make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then open up a browser, or you can use a Google app, whatever is convenient for you. After that, you need to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. If you have multiple accounts, then select the particular account from which you actually want to remove the connected apps, and then click on manage your Google account. This is going to take you to the manage info page. Here, swipe towards your left hand side and go to security. Then you'll be able to see all of these. Scroll down until you find this option as your connection to third-party apps and services. Go ahead and select see all connections located right at the bottom. Now from here, you need to go ahead and select the account which you actually want to stop using. So click on see details and click on stop using or signing and click the confirm button. As you've done that, you've successfully removed connected apps and sites from Google account. You can follow this procedure for all of these. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.